Hello, it's Kim from Memories Cast Love. I'm doing another Dollar Tree haul today. So here's some of the items I'll be doing. I'm going to do a couple videos later in the week with some crafts and some Halloween party ideas with games. So look for that a little bit later. And I will have links to some of the products in the description below. Okay, let's get started. I finally found these cute skeleton bats. They're really cute. They open and close their mouth. They'll go outside with my other skeletons. Then I also bought a couple more of the rats. Again, here's my kitty. Hello, Roxy. Hello. I'm going to be putting them outside. Then I bought some sticker boxes. There are 18 pieces. And I'm going to use those for a game. Then I also bought some of those jumpy frogs that you put your finger on and they jump. Those will be for a party game too. There's 24 in there. Then I bought some shreds. There's some white and some black, and then I found the cute candy corn color. So I'll be using that just as decoration. Then I bought a couple more creepy cloths. I bought some witches and a Reaper character from Party City. And they're little, there's not much cloth on them. So I'm buying these and then I'm draping them over. You'll see them in the outside video. Then I bought some of the Sour Patch candy corn. It is orange and grape flavored. And that is 4 ounces. And it says there are about 64 little candy corns in there. Then I bought some books. This one was The Dark Wild. And I'm going to take the cover off and use it for my Halloween display. I like the side there. Then the next one was called The Sacrifice. And it's nice and red. And then this was called Rules of the Game, an endgame novel. And there's what that one looked like underneath. So I thought those would make really good decorations. Then I bought some of the jack-o'-lantern party cups. There are 14 in the package. And I'm going to glue them to foam board and make a little punch game out of them for the trick-or-treaters. And you'll see that in one of my other videos. Then I got a couple of the ball challenges. Oops, they both went and fell at the same time. It's just about 6 cups, and it says there's 4 balls in there. So we'll use those for a game. I'm not sure now or later. Then I bought some of the fake mustaches for Halloween for whoever wants to use them. There's 2, 4, 6, 7 in that. Oh, right there it says. Then I got some of the card games. This one has matching hearts and rummy. There's another set that had like 1, 2, 3s. Another matching game. I'm looking for those because I'm using them for trick-or-treat for our lane. There's not many kids, so I was going to use them for them. And then I got the cute kids jumbo tweezers. I got red and blue. And those will be for a game, like for pickup. And then I also got the test tubes with the holder. I'm not sure yet what I'm putting in them yet, but I have them on hand. Then I have a couple of the stylus pens. I love these. They're really nice, rubbery down here on the bottom and even on the top. And I never unscrew it, but it says there's a pen underneath there. But I love using it on my phone, on my tablet. Nothing on the back, but it does really good. No scratching. Then I bought these peel and stick glam fur. I bought purple and pink, and there's 2 of these pieces in here. And then for one of my games, I'm doing a doll, and I'm going to use these as the hair, because then the players can stick it on the head. And I bought a tumbling tower game that I am going to use with the Magic Spring, the Slinky. I saw someone make that into a pumpkin, so that's why I bought that. And then I just love these squishies. This one's a pineapple. I had 2 of them, but I sent one out with my husband in a semi because dealing with all the stress of traffic, sometimes he probably needs something to squeeze and get his mind off of everything else. So just love those. Then I bought a couple of the styrofoam wreaths. Well, it's a floral wreath, but to make the wreath into it. So I got a couple of those. Then I got the blood red vase. So I'm going to do a nice little floral arrangement with that. And then I got some gemstone stickers in blue and red, and those will be along with be used with the doll game. I can't remember if I think I used them for the mouth. And then I bought these cute rainbow stickers, and those I'm using as the nose on the doll game. And then move over here. I got some decorative mesh. I really like the pink, white, and this is more of a turquoise together. So I'm hoping to make a wreath out of those. And then these nice decals. I got the pretty feathers. And then I also found the palms. So I'll figure out where I'm going to put them later. And then I got some of the floral balls. I'm going to make little ghosts out of those. And then I bought a package of Fastener Strip. There's 1 yard in there, and just to have on hand. I'll probably use it with the dolls because I have to make them their skirts. So I'll probably use that as an easy way. And back to the balls, I forgot to tell you there's 2 of the large, 3 of the medium, and 3 of the small in here. I got a couple of these bowls. I'm going to put purple lights in them and have them on the table for Halloween. Then here's one of the wire floral for the wreaths. And then here's my blood red flowers I'll be using. Not in this vase, but in a different one. And then I just really liked the pink and the purple. So I'll probably just hold on to them for later, but they are really cute. And then I got a couple of the 5x7 photo frames, and I'm using them actually. I'm going to take out the back and I'm going to glue the glass down, and then I'm going to put little miniatures on it along with some rocks and that, because it's hard to find a tray to put them on. And then I bought the cute crackle bases, and I'm just going to put the flickering LED little candles in them. And then of course I had to get the silver little decanter. Then I found the love in pink, and of course there was silver and gold. And then the balloon animal. This one's silver, and they had the pink and gold in that. Then I got a Buddha, and I didn't realize it, but this one I'll have to glue back in. But they had a silver one of him. And then I bought some foam tape weather strip. I wanted to try that out. That's 17 foot long. And then a door insulation kit. This one's 84 by 36. So we're going to try that out. And then I got some cute little jewels. They're flowers. They had, I believe it was hearts and butterflies also. Then I got some disposable placemats. These are going to be party favors for the little ones. And they just have different designs on them. Then I got a nail brush. And then mini scrapers. Can always use those. There's 4 in a pack. Got the rolling pin just for miscellaneous. Then I got a cute little, this will be used for our candy gas jar. We got some coffee stirrers to be used in our beakers with eyeballs. And then just a plastic one for another candy gas game. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want. And you can be entered into my giveaway. The instructions are down in the description box. And so that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.